What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download Fall Guys on your mobile phone. So Fall Guys recently released a statement which basically said that Fall Guys will be available on all platforms on mobile, and there's also going to be free rewards to collect, like a free skin and a free pickaxe. So without further ado, let me show you how to download Fall Guys. Okay guys, so what you have to do now is you're going to search up the Epic Games downloader. And once you search it up, you're going to click on the first link, get the Epic Games Store. I have to scroll down and to click on install on Android. So now this only applies for Android phones. So yeah, you're going to get some kind of notification, press download anyway. So you have to right click on those three dots and you have to then click on Epic Games app APK. And then what they're going to ask you to do is just press just once or always. You have to install it. In my case, I have to update it because I already have that app. So yeah, once I've opened it, you should be seeing I already downloaded Fall Guys over there, and I'm going to show you guys a preview of how it looks like on my mobile screen for you guys to see. So yeah, this is Fall Guys and it's open over there, open. So what you have to do is when you're on some kind of page, you have to install it. But because I've already installed it, I can show you guys how it's done and I can show you how it works. Thank you so much for watching the end of this video, and I hope you guys found it helpful. Peace out.